Replace the new safety switch cable. Step 1. Take off the motor cover. Step 2. Take off the protective cap here. Step 3. Take off the remote control base and the side port cap. Step 4. Pull out the safety switch cable from here and separate it at the green part. Do the same here at the bottom of the handle. Pull it out and disconnect it. Then pull out the cable hidden inside the handle. Step 5. Replace a new switch cable. Connect the green part. Insert the new cable into the handle. Pull the new cable out from the bottom. Connect the green part, then tuck it in. Tuck the green part at the top in as well. Step 7. Put the remote control base back on. The side port cap as well. Step 7. Put the motor cover back on. And test if the safety switch is working. From EO7 error to good, worked. Step 8. Put the protective cap back on here. Put the motor back on. 误站